Now I've calmed down a bit. I feel like I'm going to spew. I'm back on a keto diet. I'm getting the shit, so I'm on 500 to 600 calories a day. I mean, it's good food. No sugar, no carbs, just all that kind of stuff. Gluten-free, vegan. 5 months, mate, and I haven't lost a fucking kilo. I've just gone up and down, like in a little 4 or 5 kilo bracket. Water retention and shit. I set a 12-month goal to be fit and healthy and ready for this desert race, but I'm getting nowhere. Like, so what am I doing wrong? I'm not stopping, but